Welcome to the module Amazon Sponsored Products Keyword Match Type. By the end of the module, you will be able to understand the three types of keyword match types and when to use each of them. Importance of keywords in sponsored products campaigns. A customer search term is a word or a series of words searched by a shopper on Amazon.in. A keyword is a word or series of words you bid on a campaign manager if you want to display your ad against specific searches. It is important that you select keywords that are similar or close to customer searches. Keyword match types help you to control which searches can trigger your ad. There are three different keyword match types that can help optimize your campaigns: broad, phrase, and exact. By default, the keywords that you add to a sponsored products ad group is a broad match type. This match type offers your ad broad traffic exposure. A customer search term will match if it contains all the keyword terms or their synonym. The customer search term can contain keywords or synonyms in any order. Broad match also includes misspellings, related searches, synonyms, and other variations that are close to the keyword. For example, when a shopper searches for red women's sunglasses, the broad match type will allow to match with keywords such as sunglasses, women's sunglasses, red sunglasses, women's sunglasses red, women's red sunglasses, but will not match men's sunglasses, blue sunglasses. In phrase match, the customer search terms must contain the exact phrase or sequence of words in your keywords but may include other words. Your ad will display when someone searches for the close variant of the phrase. It is more restricted than broad match but results in more precise target customers for your ad. For example, when a shopper searches red women's sunglasses, the phrase match type will allow to match with keywords such as women's sunglasses, red women's sunglasses, but will not match with red sunglasses, women's sunglasses red. With exact match, keywords must be exact as the search terms, but can include close variations such as plural form of the word. It can be a single word or a phrase, but only searches that include all those words with the right sequences will display your ad. Exact match is the most restrictive match type, but can be most relevant to a customer's search. For example, when a shopper searches for red women's sunglasses, the exact match type will allow to match only with red women's sunglasses, but will not match with sunglasses, red sunglasses, designer red women's sunglasses, women's red sunglasses. Now as you know how to identify the match types, you can apply it to your keywords. Hover over advertising and click on campaign manager. Click on the campaign to which you want to apply the match type. Click on the desired ad group. Select the Keywords tab and click on Add Keywords. You can add a keyword while creating a campaign or to an existing campaign. Select the recommended keyword or provide your own keyword. Enter them one per line. Select the match type from the drop-down and click on Add these keywords. Your new keyword will be added to the ad group with the default bid. Please note that bids can be adjusted anytime to meet your business objectives. However, you cannot change the match type of a keyword after you add it to a campaign, but you can add the same keyword with multiple match types. Now that you have learned all about keyword match types, you can optimize your campaign for better results. Thank you and happy selling with Amazon.in.